everyone. I just wanted to kind of fill you in what's going on with an update. As many know, I've been really sick, and well, things aren't going the way we originally wanted. We put the motorhome up for sale. There's just way too much going on right now, and I highly doubt we'll actually would have been able to even be on the road much at all this year, or at least this season. I've been getting emails though, and people asking like, well, are we totally done? And no, we're not. Right now there's just I can't do it. I can't be driving the long distances and all that, and with medical bills and other things, the motorhome just has to go. So we're still going to be doing some videos and different things, and then when we do come back, we'll be just doing something a bit different. We've been looking at we'll probably do a fifth wheel and not a motorhome this time around. I love the motorhome. I love the idea of pulling off and wordy inside and all that, but you know, the upkeep, maintenance, all that stuff, it's just, you know, it adds up. And so sorry, car went speeding by. So it'll be a different adventure. We kind of want something where Piper has her own room, so we're looking at mid-bunk fifth wheels. I highly doubt it's going to be this year. It looks like 2020 will be our year that we come back and do some traveling and all that. So yeah, you know, we're sad to see the motorhome go. I mean, there's been a lot of interest in it. There's a lot of people that would like to buy it, and you know, it's going to make somebody happy. You know, we have it priced really low just so it's gone. But we'll still be doing videos. We're going to still be doing some campground tours, and we're still planning on doing the lighthouse videos and all that. It's just going to be a little bit longer than we originally planned. But yeah, so we're still going to go at it, and we're still going to be calling ourselves Where Are We Staying, and you know, just look out for videos. There'll be updates as we go, and I'd say that this is probably the last video from inside the Endeavor. We have some people coming this weekend that are interested in it, and they may buy it, they may not. If not, there's a lot of other interest in it, and you know, that'll make a good coach for somebody. So any questions, feel free to, you know, send us an email or follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and of course, you know, you can always subscribe to our channel, and there'll be more videos coming. So yeah, until next time, happy trails.